Hey y'all, happy Monday. Okay, so I want it to be different on my page. Yes, if you don't know me, I love being different. So I went to Kroger yesterday. Scratch that. I went to Kroger over this weekend and was supposed to get an onion and some aloe for my hair treatment. I always go to Kroger and get some different stuff. So I seen fuzzy socks on sale 10 for 10. So we gonna see what we can make with some fuzzy socks. I'm thinking about a dress, a little tight fit dress. So we gonna see, we gonna style it, and hope y'all like it. Okay, so if y'all couldn't tell by now, I obviously don't put my little face in here anymore. So we're just gonna continue with voiceovers. Right now, I'm just popping everything off of these socks so we can go ahead and open and cut them up. Okay, now we deep diving into the cutting, separating these socks up. That way I could use them to my advantage. Alright, so now we're just positioning how this dress is gonna look. So my DIY videos obviously are gonna have a lot of sewing. I try to eliminate it the best way I can. So you're literally just gonna see me sew for about another minute. I had to make sure the skirt fit and looked right before I just went ahead and added the top portion to it. So this is where I pretty much ended the video because it's a lot of sewing and that's unnecessary. So here's the final result. If your last sweat your last time out of your mind, can't you see I'm trying? You want 6 times a week, and you never wanna clean up, and you talk to me like and you handle me too rough. Now y'all know I have to put something random in my video every time, but here is the final result. And make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, share my videos.